Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And in this video, I want to talk to you about getting the recovery software for your computer. Now, this could be related to a desktop or a laptop. Now, in reference to that, I mean computers that come from manufacturers like Dell, HP, or in this case, Lenovo. Back in Windows 95, 98 days, whenever you bought a computer, you would get software. There would be disk that came with it, sometimes two, sometimes three, depending on the size of the files. And those would be your recovery software media. So if anything happened to your computer and you needed to do a format or reinstall, that's what those disks are for. As time evolved, they started putting that same software rather on a partition on the hard drive, and then that would enable you to have the recovery happen a lot quicker because you didn't have to worry about losing a disk or misplacing them. It was all on the hard drive. Now they have it to where it comes in the form of digital media that you can download from the website of the manufacturer. With respect to the manufacturers of these computers, each one may be a little differently about how you go about getting the recovery software. Now this is Lenovo because the laptop I have is a Lenovo. So I'm just going to show you how to do this from Lenovo standpoint. If you need to know how to do it from Dell or HP, then you need to go to their website and you will be able to see how they will give you the steps on how to create this software recovery media program. When you go to Lenovo's website, which is lenovo.com, you're going to sign in, and once you've signed in, you can go to support here and you're going to click on that. Then it's asking you to select a product family. You're going to come to either detect product or view PC support. Either one doesn't matter. It's going to take you to the same place, and it'll bring you here to the current device. This will bring you to the product homepage of your account. Drivers and software, which is right here. You have manual update, which shows all the updates for your computer. Automatic driver update, which it will automatically detect drivers that you have on your computer and download those particular drivers. But you want to come over here to order recovery media, and you want to click on that, and then this is the recovery media systems program support. Now this isn't a true order. They consider it as an order for you to be able to download it to your computer so you can place it on a USB drive, which they recommend. So you want to click to continue, and this is the Lenovo recovery media page. The serial number is already in here. If it's not in there, you can put your serial number in there, or you can have it find your product serial number for you by clicking on detect my serial number. I'm going to go ahead and click this blue right arrow. You want to come down here to where it says operating system language. You want to choose English, Spanish, or English French, whichever is your choice. I'm going to click on English. You select media type. This is USB media, but you want to choose digital download. Digital download would probably be best. If you're uncertain which one to choose, you can click on that little blue eye and it'll tell you what the recovery type is. The USB media is by courier delivery, which means that this is the one that you have to order, and there may be a fee for that. The digital download is one that you get for free. And it says get your recovery media now. Allows you to create a Lenovo USB recovery key. Requires free space to download 10 to 15 gigabytes recovery files to your computer. It requires a 16 gigabyte USB key or larger for creating a Lenovo USB recovery key. If you have a USB flash drive anywhere from 16 gigs on up, then you can use it. You don't usually have to get anything higher than a 16 gigabyte, or 32 is fine. Click on I accept the terms and conditions and click next. From here, you have to fill out your customer information. Once you've inputted all your information, click on this link. This will bring you to Lenovo Digital Download Recovery Service. From here, you want to click on this blue link right here, Lenovo USB Recovery Creator Tool for Windows. And it's going to ask you to save it. Click Save. It's not a very big file. As you can see, it's already done. Once this page opens up, which is the Lenovo USB Recovery Creator, make sure you've inserted your USB flash drive. Now anything that's on, make sure there's nothing on the USB flash drive because it's going to totally format, which means it's going to erase everything on that flash drive. So if you have anything important on this flash drive, make sure you back it up. You're going to click on the Download Recovery Files and create a recovery key. This is where you type in your Lenovo ID, the information that you use to actually sign into your Lenovo account at Lenovo's website. Now there should only be one in here, but there's two because I've already downloaded one before. So just click Next. Select your download location. In this case, I am going to choose my downloads folder, or you can hit Browse and browse where you want the file to be placed. I'm going to leave it at Downloads. Click Downloads. Very small file, download complete. Hit Next. It's not done though. Select USB location, which is the SanDisk USB 32 gig flash drive that I chose. Click Next. It's going to validate the key. Press yes to create partitions, and it's giving you a warning. All data will be erased from the USB when partitions are created. Click Yes. It's giving you a warning. Do not, under any circumstance, remove the USB flash key or flash drive. It just got done formatting it, which doesn't take very long. Now it's going to go through the copy process. This will take some time. Okay, we're coming up on the validation of the files on the USB key, and should be just about done. Okay, now it says USB key created successfully. If you need help using it, you can click here, or if you want to delete the recovery file from the system, you click yes or no. You can always go back and re-download it when it asks you that. Okay, at this point you click exit. It's going to ask, are you sure? You click yes. And if you want to make sure that the process is complete, you can go to this PC, and there it is. And actually click on it. These are all your files that you need for the recovery, and that's it. You can choose to have the USB disk removed. Checked. It's probably going to pop this up. This may send the device is currently used, closing the programs and windows that might be using, and try again. It's going to tell you that sometimes if you click it again, it'll usually clear itself out, and then you should get the window saying it's safe to remove. If not, then you can just pull it out. That is how you create a recovery media disk for your computer. I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.